Welcome to the Rich Trick channel. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and comment where you are watching from so that I can talk more about how to make money in your country. Also, don't forget to share and like this video to support the channel. Welcome! Have you ever dreamt of making money while lounging in your pajamas or traveling the world? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 laziest ways to make money online. And yes, these methods can pull in $775 or more per day. Say goodbye to the 9 to 5 grind and student loan stress. These strategies are so effortless, you might feel guilty until you see the cash rolling in. Finally, let's talk about high payout partner products. Here's how to make big bucks with minimal effort. Find high payout products on websites like ClickBank or Digistore24. Create content like blogs or videos to promote these products. Use AI tools to generate content quickly. Focus on products that pay at least $250 per sale. You'll only need a few sales each month to make a significant income. This strategy pairs well with running a blog or YouTube channel, maximizing your earnings. Engagement is key on social media, and like-for-like bots can automate this process. Sign up on likeforlike.org. Install a like-for-like bot to automate your engagement. Use earned credits to boost your own social media accounts. Sell your grown accounts for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Imagine waking up to find your social media accounts have grown overnight, all thanks to a bot. Why not create accounts in multiple niches to increase your chances of making sales? Regular YouTube automation is great, but high-ticket YouTube automation is where the real money is. Choose a high CPM niche, like finance or technology. Create valuable content using AI tools. Promote high-ticket affiliate products in your videos. Monetize through ads and high-ticket sales. This method allows you to make a lot of money with minimal effort. Automate the process with AI tools, making it one of the laziest yet most lucrative ways to make money online. Selling AI-generated art on Wirestock. Are you into art but not the whole creating part? Here's a lazy person's guide to success. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate stunning images. Upload them to wirestock.io or other platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Sit back and watch the money roll in from art you didn't even create yourself. It's like being a famous artist without any of the hard work. The more platforms your art is on, the higher your chances of making sales. Remember to subscribe, note, and comment your location below so I can bring you more tailored money-making tips. And if you're finding this content valuable, a share would mean the world to us. Faceless YouTube channels. This method is a personal favorite of many lazy moneymakers, creating faceless YouTube channels. Here's how you can do it. Use script-generating AI like ChatGPT. Head over to 11 Labs to create human-like voiceovers. Combine these with visuals from InVideo. Upload the finished product to YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With consistent uploads, you can make money even while sleeping. Focus on trending topics and evergreen content to keep attracting viewers. Create multiple channels in different niches to diversify your income. It's like planting several money trees. Transcribing with AI tools. Next, if you enjoy podcasts or speeches, transcribing with AI tools could be your thing. Websites like rev.com pay $30 to $1 per minute for transcription services. But of course, we're taking the lazy route. Sign up on rev.com. Get audio files to transcribe. Upload them to tools like otter.ai and let the AI do the work. Submit the transcriptions and get paid. This method is so laid back, you can do it from bed. You don't even need to understand what's being said, just let the AI handle it. For an extra lazy boost, automate the file transfers with tools like Zapier. Proofreading with ChatGPT. First up, proofreading, but don't groan just yet. You won't be doing the heavy lifting yourself. With tools like ChatGPT, you can automate the process entirely. Here's how. Sign up on freelancing platforms like guru.com. Offer your services as a proofreader. When you receive a document, simply copy and paste the text into ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT work its magic, then send the corrected version back to your client. People are making between $15 to $100 an hour for doing this, and with ChatGPT, you'll be faster than your competition. Why not also offer additional services like editing or formatting using tools like Grammarly? More services, higher rates, and more money, all while chilling on your couch. Bonus: multiple passive income apps. Here are a few that pay you for doing almost nothing. SMS Cash. Get paid for receiving SMS texts. Honeygain. Make passive income by sharing your internet connection. MC Money. Get paid for receiving texts. Stacking these apps can add up to a decent monthly passive income. Install them on multiple devices to maximize your earnings. If you haven't yet, subscribe now and comment where you're watching from, so I can dive deeper into money-making opportunities in your country. Don't forget to like and share this video to help us reach more people and keep the Rich Trick channel growing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.